Hey folks, welcome back to another SPY options update. And this week I only made $35 because today was pretty negative. Meanwhile, the SPY itself is down about 1.6% for the week. So overall, this is what the chart looks like. I'm basically flat. And a couple weeks ago, I put out a video warning about volatility in the market, and it looks like we started to get to that this week. In terms of what happened today, here are my SPY trades, just a couple. This first one is just a position that I closed from a position I opened yesterday. I thought the market was going up, but instead it went down today. So I closed that for a loss. And in this next position, I opened at about 1044, which is a bear call. So instead of bullish, I was bearish on the market. I basically sold a 435 call and bought the 436 call. And overall, because the premium I earned from these calls were less than the debit paid to close the put spread from yesterday, I ended up with a minus 127 loss for today. But for the bearish call, I put that in around here because the market looks like it was rolling over. The EMAs look like they were going to cross again. And I put the strike price up here at 435 because that was the high for the day. So as long as SPY doesn't go over that, I was just going to hold it till the end of the day, which it expired worthless. So I don't have anything carrying over to next week. This is the 435, 436 bear call that is now worth 0. I have some SPX options that are going to carry over into Monday and Friday for next week, and we'll have to see how that goes. But in terms of the SPY, let's go to a daily chart here, and we can see it's sort of come down this week. And I would expect it to continue falling to at least this blue line, 21 EMA. So overall, I am still bearish for next week. And another reason I think the market is likely to continue falling is because if I go to the weekly chart and just zoom out a bit, you can see it is quite extended from the 9 weekly EMA, which is this green line over here. Over the last couple of weeks, the wicks on top of these candles are longer than the wicks on the bottom. So this one is longer than this one, and then this red candle here as well. This one is just a little bit longer than this one on the bottom. So not always, but that is usually a bearish signal. There is a noticeable gap right here where the SPY just jumped from one week to the next. So I expect that to be filled next week, and that's going to be at about 430. So right now SPY is 433, but my target for next week is 430. And if it gets there, then we'll have to see what happens to SPY after that. So that's just a quick update for this week. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.